Monroe Middle School Soccer hosted Allen Park in the final game of the season. Here's the introduction of the team at the beginning of the game.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the final time, your 2013 Monroe Trojan Middle School Soccer Club. First, assistants to the coach, Sage Solfaro, Danny Bastidelli, and Sarah Seabarth. Number 2, defenseman, 8th grade, Zach Mays. Number 3, midfield, grade 7, Alani Wall. Number 4, midfield, 7th grade, Nicholas Janssens. Number 5, defenseman, 8th grade, Jessica Skeens. Number 7, midfield, 8th grade, Captain Jared Kimball. Number 8, grade 7, midfield, Donovan Vitale. Number 10, defense, grade 7, Dalton Heising. Number 11, 8th grade, defense midfield, Mahmoud Baker. Number 12, grade 7, forward midfield, Tyler Middendorf. Number 13, grade 8, defense captain, Remington Roberts. Number 14, midfield, 8th grade, captain, Joey Cornell. Number 15, 8th grade, team manager, Bianca Brock. Number 16, grade 7, defenseman, Drew Prater. Number 17, grade 7, forward midfield, Samantha Sealer. Number 18, grade 8, midfield, Anna Rubin. Number 19, grade 7, team manager, Mitchell Carter. Number 20, 8th grade, defense, Zach Hall. Number 21, 8th grade, midfield, captain, Ethan Costello. Number 30, grade 7, goalkeeper, Gino Assenmacher.
Allen Park took the lead early in the game as the goal kick is stolen and passed around a few times before one of their players makes a nice shot to make the score 1-0 Allen Park. Monroe would come back moments later and tie it as Tyler Middendorf's shot gets past the goalkeeper and Jared Kimball tucks it into the back of the net. Monroe Middle School cheerleaders were on hand to perform during the game.
Allen Park throw-in.
Monroe would take the lead late in the first half as Mahmoud Baker with the steal passes it out wide to Remy Roberts, who connects with Joey Cornell, passing it back in the middle to Ethan Costello, who sets up Sammy Sealer in on the break, and she pounds a shot over the goalkeeper. Start of the second half was a carbon copy of the start of the game as Allen Park is able to steal a goal kick, get the ball into the middle, make a few moves, and score to level the game at 2 apiece.
Allen Park goal
The
number
game-winning
4.
goal would come moments later as Zach Mays gets the ball in midfield, passes up wide to Ethan Costello, chips it out to Donovan Vitale, who crosses it in the middle, where Tyler Mittendorf notches his team-leading 8th goal of the season to make the score 3-2. Final score of the season comes off the foot again of Sammy Sealer, who steals the Allen Park goal kick, beats a few defenders, and shoots it top shelf.
Samantha Sealer.
Final score of the match, Monroe 4, Allen Park 2. Monroe concludes the season with an 8-2 record overall.